Well, corruption historically is rampant in this country. Lalo na doon sa matataas and transactions involving billions. But at that time, I was addressing myself to yung issues at that time na mga questionable transactions and nakikita ko yung mga tao, yung mga nandyan sila palagi, they are a permanent fixture dyan sa basing anong klaseng administrasyon. Nandyan sila palagi. So they make millions. Apparently, greed has no limits. So kung baski anong administrasyon, pag magkapera lang sila, and the wallow in wealth, anak nila, Amerika, nag-aaral, abroad, may mga bahay sa abroad, makikita mo naman sa lifestyle. Even sa kotse, mga modelo yung mga Mercedes-Benz, ang taong bayan, at ako, kung makikita, ang gandang kotse na yun, kanino yun? Parang gano'n. But mga professional, they tend to flaunt it, actually. They probably enjoy it or find contentment in doing it. Ganon talaga ang, well, not only in the Philippines but elsewhere. Pero kasi dito, we are not concerned about what's happening in the other parts of the world, in Asia or in the America, sa Americas, the North and South, and in Europe. So we limit ourselves now because of this is a very dynamic and troubled world. It would be good just to stay focused on what ails our country. Hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Huwag tayong makialam dyan sa ibang ano. Unahin natin yung atin. We cannot correct the mistakes of others anyway. It's not our problem. It does not concern the lives of the Filipinos. So what the heck?